大家好，我是台中科大语言中心施代士, and this is another English phrase a day. Today's phrase is cough up. Cough up. It's quite a short phrase in English. The phrase here in Chinese that I have is a bit longer, but let's think about the meaning. Cough, what is cough? We know what cough is. Cough is so, but the meaning here of this phrase is quite different. It has nothing to do with actually coughing, but it has to do with giving something to someone, giving some information, talking about something, giving up some money. So let me attempt to say the Chinese here. It's quite long, and I hope you can understand it. It is 勉强说出某话不情愿地提供某物. Oh, so long. I hope you had a bit of a laugh out of that. Trust me, I'm laughing inside. Okay, so the English phrase is cough up, and it means to give money or some information to someone else, usually unwillingly. You don't want to give this money, you don't want to give this information, but you're forced to give it, you have to give it for some reason. Again, it's cough up. Here are a few example sentences. Her husband coughed up the money for the party with a lot of complaining. Another sentence, he coughed up the whole story for the police. Okay, so again, cough up means to give up some information, some money, and usually because you're being forced to and you don't actually want to. Thanks for coming, everyone. That was our phrase a day today, cough up. Please come again next time for another English phrase.